Assalamu alaikum. Now we start and move to another topic. The topic is string. I already write these topics. It's just methods and properties for that for saving a time. Okay. So we have string. Okay. I already talked about string, but here, we use string for text-based data and also you can call sequence of characters. Okay, remember that string used for text based data, and also you can call sequence of characters. Okay, we have just two properties. You can also call its properties. So single line string and another is multi-line string. Okay, I will show it later. For remember that we have these also types, or you can call as property. Okay, so now we have also a string concatenation. For string concatenation, remember that it's used for to combine one string to another string. Okay, we can do with the help of this string concatenation, uh, combine one string to another string. We use plus and also uh, interpolation. Okay, interpolation. This dollar sign we we call interpolation. Okay, so with the help of this plus character, we concatenate the combined string. Okay, and now we have properties of the string. So here you can see coordinates. Coordinates is just a numbers. Okay, remember it. This coordinates returns a list of unmodifiable. Okay, remember that this coordinates returns a list of unmodifiable list. Okay, so I will show you I will show with the help of example later. Okay, it's just to use for you. I think you already know about that computer save our data in numbers. Okay, this for this a or this small a is different. Okay, here you can see uh, this is a uh, this is a alphabet, but it's not a small, it's a big. Okay, and it's a small alphabet. So here the I think this small a code unit is 97. Okay, and I don't know that what is the number of this. Okay, but here it's provide this is coordinates. Okay, with the help of coordinates we can find the uh, characters of coordinate. Okay, so I will show it now. Okay, and the second property is we have is empty. It returns boolean. Okay, and also it also returns boolean. Basically we check that this character or string is exist or not, and here we can also check that this exists or not. Okay, I will show you now with the help of example. You know it. Okay, and also we have linked. It returns linked length of the string. Okay, and now we have methods that we can uh, we can all the characters of string convert to the lowercase and uppercase. Okay, and now we have also trim. So trim is also very useful. It's reduces or remove white spaces of right side and left side. You can also call leading and trailing of the characters. Okay, and also we have compare to. So remember that compare to is a very important method. We just compare the one object to another object. For example, if we compare 10, uh, for example, I will show you now it. Okay, and also we have replace all. Okay, we can replace one string to another string if it's matches. Okay, we can replace the one string to another string if it's matches. Okay, and now I will show you it. Okay, also split is also very important that we with the help of split we can break a string into parts. Okay, and return a list. It also return a list. Okay, and also convert uh, we can convert every object to string. Okay, and now we have also substring. So substring is gets a part of a string using index numbers. Okay, with the help of index numbers, with the help of index numbers we get parts of string. Okay, now it also I will show in the last method is code unit. Like here code units we can find um, in the characters in the we can find also character. So it's returns the numeric unicode value. Okay, of a character at a given position. Okay, now I will show you it also now. Okay, so first of all I'm going to write main function, and also we have single and multi lines string. For example, string name equal to, I also used here single quotes and double quotes. Okay, for example Moaz. So it is a single line string. Okay, and if you want to store multi lines, okay, for that you can use triple quotes. Okay, now I write Maz on here and Fayaz on here, and here Ayaz Khan. Okay, so I want to show you it. Front name. Okay, now you see here it visible. Okay, so it a multi-line. Okay, so now for here string concatenation. With the help of this string concatenation we combine one string with another string. For example, string name first name. Okay, string second name. Okay, Okay, now I will show it that how we concatenate these two strings. Okay, for example, if I write first name plus second name, okay, you can see here first name plus second name, it's just we combine two strings. Okay, and now I want to show you here. You can see it's just combined. If you want to uh, uh, add space for that, you can do this space here and also here. Okay, I think I don't write space. Okay, now you can see, but it is not a good practice. Okay, now I want to instead of this you can use uh, interpolation, so it's a very good practice for you. Okay, for example, first name and second name. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so it looks better from this concatenation. Okay, so now I want to move to properties. So here you can see um, coordinates. It returns a list of unmodifiable. Okay, so now I want to show you coordinates of this mass hum print first name dot coordinates. Okay, you can see here it returns a list. Okay, it returns integer of list. Okay, now here you can see the first index the first index coordinate is 77 97 97 and when 122. Okay, uh, it's a good units, it's used for encryptions. Okay, and the dot in computer, you also know it use coordinates. Okay, to store variables. And here is empty. If I say here is empty, it's return bool. Okay, you can see here it return bool. Why? So I'm just saying that if there this first name is empty, if it's its a variable is empty, it returns true. If it's not empty, it returns false. So now it's not empty. Okay, it returns false. Okay, false. Okay, if I want to remove these characters, now you can see. So it's empty, it returns empty. So it returns true. Now you can see. If I want to show you also, mm, is not empty, so here false. Why? It's empty, and I'm saying first name dot is not empty. Okay, so it's empty, and I'm just saying if it's not empty to returns true. If it's empty, so returns false. Okay, and now the second is linked. So here you can see linked also. Okay, for now here it's the length of is 0 because here it's empty. Okay, if I write mass is just 4 characters, so the length is 4. Okay, and also we have some methods for that. Okay, so if you want to convert this mass to lowercase, and also you can to uppercase. If I write here to upper to lowercase. Okay, so it's already lower. I'm just writing mmz. Okay, you can see here it's converted to lowercase. If I write here to uppercase, here you can see it's converted to uppercase. Okay, and also we have trim. It's all it is a very important thing. Okay, I just want to that I show you here. I'm writing white spaces. It is called white spaces, and also you can call blank spaces. Okay, so this trim is remove these white spaces. Okay, these white spaces from left and also from right side. Okay, so now I just front first name dot trim. Okay, now you can see here it's remove. Okay, these white spaces. If I don't write trim, so here you can see white spaces. Okay, so the another one is you can also use trim for left and also for right side. Okay, you just try its own. Now we have compared to its is a very important thing. Okay, now I just want to explain it. Okay, now mass and string the another name is equal to name1 name2. Okay, I'm right mass. Okay, now I want to show you front name1 name1 dot compared to another name2. Now if this, now you can see it's a equal. Okay, if this condition is equal, it returns 0. If the first one is greater and the second is less than, so if the first one, if the first object or string object is greater, if the first object is greater, it returns the first one. Okay, and it fronts and it fronts if the first one is here, if the first one is bigger from the another, so it returns 1. Okay, and here if the second object is greater, it returns the first one. No, it's the second one. Okay, and it runs it from negative negative one. Okay, for example, now it is you can see it's same, so it returns 0. Oh, sorry, here you can see it returns 0. If I add the is on, so the first one is smaller and the second one is bigger. So here you can see I write here it returns -1. Okay, you can see here if I make it bigger, So here you can see 1. Okay, it is this compared to is very important, very important. Okay, remember that it used for sorting. Okay, in the real projects. Okay, now I want to move to another topic, the another method. Okay, compare to, and here you can see replace all. We can replace the uh, we can replace the characters into another. Okay, now I want to show you here you can see name one. Okay, and I want to here I store Maaz. Okay, and Khan here. So here string name string name one dot replace all. Here you can see from. Okay, from to. So here I want to replace Mars. So Mars to here I can you can see Fayaz. Okay, so now it looking this Mars. Okay, this, when the code is running, the computer computer finding Mars. Okay, if there is finding Mars, so the computer replace Mars to Fayaz. Okay, now you can see here it so I want to front this front. Okay, now you can see Fayaz Khan. Okay, so it is also very useful. So here we have also split. So the split is also very important thing. So maybe use split method for break a string into fours and it returns a list. Okay, returns a list. Okay, and also it use for to break a string into parts. Okay, remember that. So now I want to show you here name front name one dot split. I want to split this here you can see I write nothing. Okay, I want to here to split this string to space. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, here you can see Maaz Khan, it's split. Okay, it's returns I already told you here it returns a list. Okay, so if you don't want to return it a list, and you can also use for each loop for that. Okay, dot for um okay, it's not printable. Dot for each. Okay, now you can print. Okay, here element. So now here you can see Maaz Khan. Okay, first of all I here you can see this space. I split these characters uh, with space, and uh, then I run a loop. So here this loop is working. It hold the first value and then it return it fronts. Okay, so I think I hope you understand this concept. Okay, now you can also convert every object to string. If I am writing here integer age equal to 21. Okay, now age front age dot runtime type. Okay, mm, now I want to uh, I want to convert this I want to convert this object to string. So age dot string front age dot string. Okay, um run type. Okay, okay, I convert this age to string. Okay, if you are confusing here, so firstly I just write here to string. Okay, and then front age dot run time type. Okay, now here it's integer because it's converted, but I don't assign this to variable. Okay, so string uh, converted. Okay, equal this age. Okay, now converted. Okay, so you can see here string because it converted to string. Okay, age converted to string, and uh, I store this in string. I don't write here integer because it string. Okay, so it string, and now we have the substring. It is also important. With the help of index numbers, we get force of the string. Okay, here I want to show you here string name equal to mass in front. Okay, name dot substring from 0 if I write here on. Okay, so index start from 0 to I just start here 0 and from to 0 1 2 3, so I can here write 3. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, sorry, here the 0 is already I right here. Okay, so it start from 0. Okay, so it's 0 1 2 3, but it's 4. Okay, so 0 already I write here, so it's 4. Okay, now you can see only front Maas Khan. Okay, it's just part of string. Okay, and also if you want to print the code units of uh, the one character. Okay, so dot code unit 8. Okay, so here it's one index. I want to index 0. Okay, so now you see 77, the m code unit is 77. If it's small, so you can see 109. Okay, for now I think it's this video is very long, but it's very helpful, and string is very important. Okay, for now it's enough, and we meet in another video. For now, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.